Promise, it is desired to send a sequence of computer screen images over an optical fiber. The screen is 3840 into 2160 pixels, each pixel being 24 bits. There are 20 screen images per second. What data rate is needed? So the answer is pixel per frame. Screen size equal to, so the screen size we will declare here, and next the pixels by frames, which is 3840 into 2160, that we got the pixels. So bits per frame equal to 24 bits, each frame equal to 24 bits. So bits by frame 8 to into 29, so we'll get some answers. So frames per second, we will multiply the results of bits per frame into 60, so we get the frames per second. So now let's go through the second question. The second question is, television channel are 6 megahertz wide. How many bits or seconds can be sent if 4 level digits signals are used? Assume a noiseless channel. So answer is by using Nescott theorem, R equal to 2B log 2. So B equal to 6 megahertz, M equal to 4. 4 levels equal to 2 bits per symbol. So we will calculate some this and we get the answer 24 megabits per second. So the next question is, if a binary signal is sent over a 3 kilohertz signal whose signal to noise ratio is 20 decibels, what is the maximum achievable data rate? So the answer is Shannon capacity formula, C equal to B log to 1 plus SNR. SNR linear equal to 10 to the power of 20 by 10 equal to 100. So when we calculate, we will get 20 kilobits per second. So when we get to the next question, 10 signals each requiring 4000 kilohertz, 4000 hertz are multiplexed onto a single channel using FDM with the minimum bandwidth required for the multiplexed channel. Assume guard band are 400 kilohertz. So payload bandwidth equal to 10 into 4000. This is equal to 40,000 kilohertz. God band equal to 9 into 400, which is equal to 3600 hertz. Total we get 43,600 hertz. Next question, why has the PCM sampling time bit set at 122 seconds? The answer is for voice 0 to 4 kilohertz band, Nesquik rate 8 kilohertz, sampling period equal to 1 by 8000, which is equal to 125. So when we get to the next question, what sample to noise ratio is needed to put a T1 carrier on a 1 megahertz line? So answer is C equal to 1.54 for Mbps, B equal to 1 megahertz. So after all these calculations, we get the answer 2.8 decibels. Here you can see. So the next question is, a cable TV system has 100 conventional channels, all of them alternating programs with advertising. Is this more like TDM or like FDM? So TDM means time division multiplexing and FDM means frequency division multiplexing. So by this question, we can assume each channel occupies a separate frequency slot continuously. So this is the frequency division multiplexing FDM. So the last question, a cable decides to provide internet access over చెప్తాను ఒక నిమిషం. The company uses a coaxial cable and spectrum questions చూసుకోండి సార్, allowing 100 Mbps downstream. The company decided to guarantee at least. So the answer is split the network into 100 smaller service groups, each with 50 ohms or increased capacity by sound. So this is the 8 questions, which are some interesting questions for this assessment. So thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.